What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing a monarch butterfly. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with the body and the head in the middle here, right? So the head is a sort of an oval shape, like so. And then the eyes kind of just stick off here. Like so. And then we have a sort of bump for the neck. And then the abdomen sort of bumps down here. And then it gets real long. Bumps out at the top. Then around like so. If you want, you can add these cross sort of texture lines that the abdomen has. Like so. Right, and then the antennae sort of stick up here, and we have a loop sort of on the top. Same thing on this side. Like so. Okay, so now the wings. So we got like 4 wings in total. So we got the big ones that come out from the top here. All right, and then around this side we get sort of bumpy and wavy. And then we bring this back in. Like that. We do the same on the other side. We go wavy down like so, and then go across. And then the bottom wings, so coming out from the body roughly here. Skirts in this way. I went a bit skinny with that, but that could be the black edge because they have black edges on it. Right, so we've got all veins and stuff inside there. So we go, say on the bottom. So I'll do what I was going to do here. So we got this black edge, right? So it's all dark in here. This thick sort of line goes up right to the body there. And then we have all circles of white inside, right? So you'll just draw white and yellow. So you color around all this either really dark gray or black, or shade it really, you know, with a pencil. Okay, roughly like that. And then we have all veins inside here, right? So quite thick, dark lines join this black section here. Do do do. these different sections now. Just join up. Like that. And you could have some like extra little texture lines inside these, you know, lighter kind of lines. Right, kind of like that, because they are sort of hairy, you know, they have fur on them and stuff. So we go same on this side. Like that. And keep going. So we add another one here. Another thing here. And then like this shape. Brown into there. 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 So all these different sort of sections. Curving around. That right now, and there's orange, and then we'll add just a few more sort of little texture lines like this, sort of light sketchy lines just to show the texture of the wing. Okay, and then we'll do the same up here, so it's all black around the edge, it looks like anyway. So we'll go and like down into here, and then it comes around here and like bumps around like 3 times. Like that, and then we have some lines that can bring it back to there. Right, so it's all sort of black in here, but we have sort of these patterns of yellow and orange and white all along the edge here. That, and there's like another row of them, slightly bigger. These are like yellow circles, it looks like. Here, and then we'll have some texture on all this as well. So like okay, so again, the edge, it's all real dark in here, and along these lines are dark, but inside the circles, it's yellow and white. So we'll go do the same thing on this side. So we start with the edge, and it bumps up. goes down. Another section in there. And then each of these is like a vein as well. And then we have all our white patterns around, and then texture. Doop. The big one here. And then all texture wing lines and stuff. Some texture on his body maybe. Right, but that's pretty much it. Then you can add your color, so black around the edge, orange, or whatever color you like, really. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. That's it. That's how to draw a monarch butterfly. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.